Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. It's CH here, and today I'm going to be recording a new episode of making your PCs up to spec with Fortnite Season 2 Chapter 2. So yeah, I'd just like to welcome you back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe and like the video if you actually do enjoy it. I just want to know how many people watch my videos and if you like it or not, because I really do enjoy making these videos for you guys. Now I'm just gonna go off the top of this video, off the top of my head really. I don't have any plan for this video, so just keep in mind that this video is not going to be cut because I want you guys to make sure you see everything to make sure your computer's running up to spec. Okay, so basically, let's just get straight into this really. So I've got this folder here called utilization files. If I open it, it's got all these three in it, right? Memory cleaner, time resolution, and quick CPU. So these are all the things that we're going to be using in this video, and we're going to be using MSI Afterburner. We're going to be using Discord and Google Chrome, and also some other things like settings. So yeah, and GeForce as well. So basically, anyways, let's go ahead and start the video. So in the description there will be 3 links to these websites here that actually do have these. Now these are quite useful, like very useful. So the first thing we're going to be using is Memory Cleaner. Just click yes, and then once this is open, click Trim Process Working Setting Clear System Cache. Now you want to copy these settings here, just these 4 settings, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then click and minimize, and you keep that in the background. Next thing you want to use is time resolution. Pretty sure you guys know the drill with this thing. You just click maximum and minus, and then after you finish gaming you can go back to it, click default and minus. Now the only reason mine doesn't change because I overclock my monitor. You can do that as another option, which I will be just showing in the video, but there is a separate video on my channel if you want to go look at it, but I will be showing it in this video later on. Next thing we're going to be using is quick CPU. So you just want to open that thing. Now one thing you do not want to do is go on to CPU frequency. Oh no, what is it? Fuck. One thing you don't want to do is go onto system memory and click clean. It freezes your computer. Don't. Okay, just don't do it at all. Right. Anyways, here's my CPU. So it's i3 4132. Pretty old CPU, but it's a 5th gen, so it's not that bad, I guess. It has problems with rendering. So as you can see right now, my CPU is at about 1.8 gigahertz, and we can make that go up to its maximum frequency. So you can see these are my real-time ones that we can make it go up to. So make sure these are all 100. So just make sure these are all 100, and that it can do its highest performance. Now you want to put your system power plan onto high performance. Now there will be an ultimate performance one in the next video I'll be showing you. But yeah, it's fine. Then you'll just go to advanced CPU settings, and then just click apply on all of these once you've done this. So just copy all of these if you already have them. Now if you do have turbo ratios, just make sure that it's either between 30 or 40 either way, because honestly if you make this any more than like probably 10 to, well, you could probably make it 16, I can't lie, but you can lock it as well so it stays at it. But yeah, the last one you don't really need to worry about, only if you're like professional overclocker, you know what the turbo ratio is. I don't even know what it is myself, but there you go. Then after that you just want to click refresh, and then you can literally close out of it. Just close out of that, and then click apply, and then just click exit, and now you've done that, you're fine. So these 3 apps have been utilized now. So just remember, keep these 2 in the background. They will not use any CPU, I promise. I need like a small amount of memory. Now I have DDR3 memory, so it's kind of shit, and it's clocked up 1333 megahertz, which is not that bad. Yeah, actually is. I need to get some new memory actually. I need to get Corsair Vengeance or maybe HyperX 3, I don't know. But yeah. The other day I bought a Seagate Barracuda 1TB storage, which is I haven't installed it yet. I need to, but yeah, because my storage, I'll show you. Fucking hell, it's terrible. I've got like 300 gigabytes on my computer. Yikes. Disk drive G, what the fuck. Alright, anyways, so our next thing is going to be in settings. So you're going to click Window key and R. Now you want to go to temp. Alright, so once you know this, just go to temp, click Control A, and then delete. Now if it comes up with like, oh sorry you can't delete this or something like that, just click, I'll show you if it says it for me. So as you can see, I'm clearing over 1 gigabyte because I haven't done this in ages. I haven't done this in like a long time. So if it comes up with this, just click continue if you can. If it actually works, then click continue. But if it doesn't work, click do this for all current items, and then click skip. So yeah, there you go, my folder's empty. Now you're going to right click on recycle bin and click empty. It should empty out shit. There you go, continue. let that do its thing. Just empty out the whole of your computer of shit. Okay, so once that's done, you want to go ahead and now go back into here and then type in app data. So remember, Windows key and R, app data. Once you're going to go to local, FORTNITE game. Well, I've got 2 saved. I'm just going to click on my other one, but it should be called FORTNITE game. Config, Windows client, game user settings site. Now, if you got that on read only, if it's on read only and you can't like edit anything, right click, properties, and then make sure attributes read only is unticked and click apply. Okay, now you can go into it and you should be able to edit it. Okay guys, so basically you're just going to copy most of these settings, so make sure unlock console FPS is on. True. Where is it? Make sure it's your native res. You can do your frame rate limit to any. I keep mine at 60 so things render in nice and smoothly. Now I should change this to 76 because my monitor is overclocked 76 Hz, of course. So I'm gonna make my frame rate limit 76, and then I'm gonna click File Save. Basically, my resolution quality is 89. Oh yeah, and this one preferred D3 This is basically DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. So if you turn this off and you make it false, it's DirectX 11. If it's true, it's DirectX 12. Now basically, the only reason they added this is because they wanted to test it out with the new Chaos engine that they actually added for this season. Everyone was really worried and they were like, "Oh my god, building's gonna look weird." Oh. But it actually doesn't. It's fine. So you can just enable that, make sure that's true. And then you want to go to gamma. Where is it? Gamma. It should be on 2.2 somewhere. I think I changed mine though. Oh yeah, display gamma. You want to make that 1.1, and then rendering API. I want to put that on 2. So render gamma, make that 1.1. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and click exit after you saved. File save, remember. And then what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and go into your settings. So Windows settings. Go to gaming. Game bar off, captures off. Game mode on, Xbox with networking. I don't want to click on that because it'll show my IP, but make sure that's on because you don't want to lose internet. Update security, you can check for updates. I'm up to date, so I'm fine. Delivery optimization, turn that off. Windows security, this is completely up to you, but sometimes it does give you notifications. So if you go in with there, you can probably turn off notifications if you do get them. Now you're going to go into personalization. Now in here, you want to make your background a solid color, or like maybe a picture that's not that bad. I mean, mine's a picture because I like pictures, but basically I don't like solid colors on the background. It looks like shit. Transparent effects, you want to turn them off. And then you want to make my accent color. I'm gonna probably make mine just blue because I like blue. So why the fuck not? I just might do. Ooh, I don't know. I kind of like blue though, so yeah, whatever. Okay, well, I'll change it back to that because I like that. So why is it red? What the fuck? Okay, so now these are just off. Colors. Oh wait, we're on that. Lock screen. Lock screen. You can. Yeah, I don't. That doesn't really affect anything. That's fine. Font start menu. So you can just copy these settings if they're already fine. Turn it off. And then just copy these settings here. Show taskbar on all displays. Right click. Yeah, that. And then you can lock the taskbar as well to keep it like so all your things. What is it? It's there. Just keep them all there. So they're all always overlaying. So then, what you want to do now is you want to what do I want to do? Oh yeah. It is for NVIDIA users only. So if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, you can do this step. So this step's quite easy. Then you just want to wait for your control panel to open. So what this will do is this will give you probably the lowest latency, and I'm going to show you how to overclock your monitor and lowest latency. So I'll probably leave a timestamp in the description for you to click if you don't have a NVIDIA graphics card, but if you do, then copy these settings. So just look in the description and there should be a timestamp for when this is finished if you do not have it in the video. I'm sorry, but if you don't have an AMD graphics card, I can't help you. I know there's an AMD control panel, but I can't remember how to use it. I used to have an AMD computer, but I didn't. It's gone. But anyways, yeah. So you're gonna go to Program Settings on Manage 3D Settings. Click Add, and then once it comes up with your the menu of what all of your programs are, you want to click on Fortnite. So mine's still loading because I've got a shit PC, but still. Alright, so you'll click on Fortnite, click Add. Okay, so I've changed all my settings back because I mean, obviously I wanted to like show you guys what to do. So image sharpening on, make sure that the settings copy mine, and dropping filter in, you want to make it off, FX off, use your GPUs, low latency mode, ultra, your graphics card on, prefer maximum performance, on, high performance, on, off, wait, shit, off, 1. Alright, so once you've done them settings, you can go ahead and apply it completely. Yeah, so once you've applied them settings, then yeah, you're fine to go with Fortnite. It's completely up to you now. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how to overclock your monitor if you really want to. So there'll be another timestamp. Obviously, go to the timestamp if you don't want to really overclock your monitor, if you can't be bothered or whatever. You don't want to really overclock it, or if it's already overclocked and you've got like a 144Hz monitor, then you can go ahead and just click on that thing down there, the timestamp. Okay, so you want to go into change resolution, and you want to go to your resolution. So like my optimal one's 16:900 because I have a 16:900 monitor. So you want to like click on another one and then click on it, and you should be able to customize it. So for me, I'm already on my native one, which is up here. So I'm just going to click apply real quick, and it should allow me to customize it. So then I'm going to go back to my native. So you're going to click customize, and you're going to go to create custom resolution. Now you're going to go ahead and test it, right? So as I said in my other one, I said go up in 5. So if you're on 60, go to 65, and then go to 70. If you're alright with that, go to 75, and then after that, go up in 2s or 1s, whichever one you want to do. So I found 76 is my personal preference, so I'm going to keep it at 76. So as you can see, it already exists, but I can go up to 83. I don't know if you guys can go higher, but I can go up to 83 personally. So obviously I already have one, so once you've done that, you can just, basically it'll be on here. Make sure this box is ticked, otherwise you won't be able to select it. Click OK, go into the your monitor custom, and then go click apply on the hertz you want. Then you can make multiple, it's up to you. My TV, I can, as you can see here, that's my native. But on my TV, I can overclock mine to about 130 Hz, I'm pretty sure it is. So if I click to add custom, I can probably make, I think it's 100, let me try 131, hold on. Yeah, that's fucked up. So 131 Hz doesn't work on it, but 130 does. But it makes my mouse all like weird and shit. Alright, so it's tested it and it's fine, right? So my second one is completely fine with that. So I'm going to keep it at 1920 by 1080 at 130 Hz, and that's what I can do with my TV. I know, right? A fucking JVC TV can overclock to 130 Hz. But it does feel really nice playing it though. Like, my mouse is so smooth, holy shit. Anyways, let's go ahead and yeah, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and click off and it will be fine. So yeah, let's get into the next part. What am I doing now? Let's go to, okay, yeah. So if you don't already have this, MSI Afterburner, right? If you do have a graphics card, and you like an actual graphics card and you can overclock it, then you just want to download the MSI Afterburner. That'll be in the description as well, so you can go ahead and download that. Now as you can see, this is currently my GPU. I've already got my overclock presets on, so yeah, I mean it's completely fine for me. But what you want to do is you want to open up this thing. You want to download this thing as well called MSI Combustor, and basically it will run a stress test on your GPU. So probably you'll be at stock speed, so your ones will be at +0, probably like automatic, but my one's manual because I like to select 60 or 61, whatever. My core voltage I can go up to 31. My graphics card. Some graphics cards you'll be allowed to go up to like 110 power limit, but mine's only like 100 because it's an older graphics card, of course. Now make sure your priority is on your power. Don't make sure it's on the temperature because you can actually change this manually. Now don't be afraid to change things around because you can actually change things around and it's a completely safe. It's one of the safer afterburners and honestly there are quite good results. So yeah, honestly, if you do try that, there will be another link. There will be not another link. Go to my channel and then you can look on my channel and there's a video of how to overclock and it's really simply like done by me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So the next one is driver version. So if you guys do have a NVIDIA graphics card, you want to go ahead and search up driver version. What is it? NVIDIA GeForce Driver 1. This is the best driver you can get, right? So you click on this one, the first one that comes up. Oh no, not this one. Fucking trash. Right, so this one. So NVIDIA GeForce 441.41 download. Now this is the best driver, according to Reddit, Guru, literally, even proven by the guy Detio himself. If you guys don't know who Detio is, he is a really good FPS booster at Fortnite. No one knows his secrets. But yeah, you want to download this one here. So just go onto the first website, NVIDIA.com. Just click download, and then it should be a setup. You just let it install, and it should. If you're already on a what is it? Oh yeah, if you're already on a, oh shit, what is it? If you're already on a higher driver, it will automatically downgrade you to this driver. Now trust me, if you look on the internet, this driver is probably one of the best drivers you can get, performance wise, because it's probably the best one they've released because it does give you a lot more FPS. But these newer ones do actually give you shitty kind of, I can't lie, just shit FPS really. Not really the best FPS honestly, but yeah, I mean it's not that bad honestly. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just go about what should we do actually? Let's think. What should we do now? So once you've downloaded that, I mean it's pretty fine. But if you guys are still having problems, then there's this thing called NVIDIA GeForce. It's completely free. There's no waiting time anymore. But you can go onto it, you can download it, play Fortnite on it, 144 FPS. But it does require having good Wi-Fi. If you don't have that, then well shit. But yeah, basically that's just another option you can take. Now for the last thing, this is about your hardware acceleration on two apps here. So as I said, I was going to use Discord and Google Chrome. So first of all, Google Chrome, you can disable hardware acceleration by going into settings here. Click at the three dots, go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to advanced, and then go to hardware acceleration and turn both of these off, and it should say relaunch, and it should and just click relaunch and it will relaunch it. Now the next thing in here is Discord. Now what you want to do is in Discord, you want to go ahead and go down to the bottom in user settings here, and then you want to go to appearance. Now at the bottom here you want to make sure both of these are off, and then relaunch Discord, and then yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Theme, probably recommend you to go for dark, and then what's the next one? Video. So you can do whatever you want here. I mean I normally don't do noise suppression, but yeah, and then if you want to have better ping in Fortnite, you can turn this off, but it will give you less quality of your mic. I keep it on because I have good Wi-Fi, so yeah, I don't really care. But yeah, about that, then you can just finish that, and yeah. Now after all of these, I recommend you guys to restart your computer, otherwise you'll obviously your computer won't feel as good as it does. So yeah, just make sure that you do restart your computer, and if you did enjoy this video, then leave a like and subscribe. Sorry if I sound a bit ill or something. I just don't I don't feel like it, because I'm at home for probably the rest of like time. I'm at home until Big Boris says you can go back to school now. But yeah, just hope you guys are well and you're not suffering from any sorts of diseases like I can't say it on YouTube, or I'll get I'll probably get striked because Willie did. So I'm not gonna say it, but I'm just gonna do what he called it, which is beer bug. So if you've got beer bug, if you don't know what beer I'm referring to, then you're an idiot. But probably can't even show a picture of it, can I? But anyways, guys, I'm sorry for dragging this video a long way. Make sure you restart your computers, and then you can go ahead and double click Fortnite. Make sure you do have a shortcut as well, because it does load Fortnite to quicker times. And also, if you do have an SSD, I'd rather you install Fortnite on an SSD, because that will give you faster launching times. Obviously, I don't have an SSD. What I do, I need to install it into my computer, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any comments or queries, please leave them in the description, or no fucking description. Leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them pretty quickly because I'm quite active on YouTube anyway. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.